I was watching YouTube videos few days ago and something arrived. Pablo Company sent me the Ninos N7 drawing tablet to try and review it. So, let's unbox it. Ooh, I love the packaging design. Wow, it's my favorite color. This tablet comes with the battery-free pen, USB cord, and adapter. Now, let's set up the tablet with my computer and download the software. Brother and sisters, it's time to draw. I'm going to draw Jasa, Gox, Bex, and Zayatsi with me. To draw, I'm using the free software called Medibank Paint Pro. By the way, I'm going to share my thoughts about this tablet later in this video. So, make sure to watch until the end, brothers and sisters. Sketch is done.
Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't.
Now let's start coloring with Jasa. I discovered Jasa's channel when I'm just starting out, and he really helped me a lot when it comes to drawing and coloring using alcohol markers.
Such a pretty girl, left town, got a chance in LA. Now you a city girl, now you wanna party, it's late. You stay.
I really like how Jasa turning out, so let's keep coloring.
Over, never over, one more drinking till you're sober. You said that I want.
Now it's time to color Gox. Gox has a big influence with my video because I really admire his filming and editing skills. And of course, his epic and detailed characters too. Ew, green.
Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound, yeah that
now
sound
it's time to color myself. I don't know what to say with myself, but if you have something to say, comment down below.
Sounds good. In the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now.
Oh, why I'm wearing pink.
Came up from the dirt, yeah, we popping out. This our yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around.
Oops, I forgot we have camping tonight. So, I'm gonna continue coloring it tomorrow. Now, let's go to the mountain. Yeehaw! We are already here, so I will tour you around. Oh, that barbecue smells so good. Now it's time to go home. I'm already back at the studio, so let's continue coloring. Now it's time to color Vex. Vex inspires me when it comes to exploring the world and sharing his talent. I think this drawing will be cool if I turn it into real t-shirt design.
I can't stay down too long. Running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long.
Now it's time to color ZHC. ZHC inspires me because he used his talent to help other people who are in need.
Baby, you are really hurting me.
I really love how the characters turning out, so let's continue finishing this drawing.
never changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Drawing is almost done, but before the reveal, it's time for the tablet review show. Here are the 3 things that I like with this tablet. First is the design. It's simple and very portable. Perfect when you are traveling. Second is the price. It costs around $40, which is very cheap and good for those artists who are on a budget. Third is the tablet itself. It's fast and easy to use, perfect for those beginner in digital drawing. The only thing that I don't like is the pen. It doesn't come with the button, which is supposed to be useful when it comes to shortcut. That's all for the tablet review show. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
I'm dying. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know and I'll go. I know you're playing your part, 'cause I go, but baby, it's breaking my heart.
I don't know how to say this, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.